How to fix hacked Discord account sending spam messages problem. So if you want to fix hacked Discord account sending spam messages problem, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. So it's likely been compromised. This usually happens when hacker steals your authentication token using authentication token while using malware, allowing them to bypass passwords and two-factor authentication. So acting quickly is crucial to remove unauthorized access and secure your account. So you need to follow these steps to regain control and prevent further damage. The first one is you need to change your password. Immediately when a hacker steals your Discord authentication token, you can stay logged in even if you change your password. Later, the only way to revoke their access is by resetting the token, which happens when you change your password. Doing this will instantly log out all active sessions, including the hacker's one. So the steps to change your password is to open up your Discord. After opening your Discord, you can go with settings, which is on the bottom left. And here you can go with my account. Once you're on your my account section now, here, if you scroll down, you will have change password option. You need to click on change password and then enter your current password and then your new password and confirm your new password. Make sure to create a strong new password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols and confirm or click done to save the changes, which will log out all of the active sessions. Now log back into Discord using the new password to enable the two-factor authentication. Even after changing your password, a hacker could regain access if they stole your credentials through phishing or malware. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring a one-time code from an authentication app on your phone. This makes it nearly impossible for the hackers to log in, even if they have your password. So the steps to enable your two-factor authentication on your Discord is go with the same interface, which is my account, and here you will have Authenticator app. You can just simply go and add Authenticator app. In my case, I've already added two-factor authentication. So you just need to simply go and turn it on from here. Or you can also go with SMS backup authentication. You can go with Enable Authenticator app and then scan the QR code or enter the setup key and you will receive the 6-digit code from the app. You can click on active and save your backup codes in case you lose access to your phone. The third one is you need to remove suspicious authorized apps or malicious third-party apps connected to your Discord account. Even after you reset your passwords, hackers often use compromised bots or browser extensions to maintain access without needing to log in directly. Removing unauthorized or untrusted apps stops them from controlling your account. So the steps to remove suspicious app is to open up the Discord and go with user settings again. Once you're on your user settings, click on the authorized apps from the left side. Carefully review the list. If you see any apps you don't recognize, click on deauthorized to remove them. Restart Discord to ensure all changes take effect and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.